Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. The state of Dash was formed on 1st May 1960. Option A Goa, option B Karnataka, option C Andhra Pradesh, option D Maharashtra. Correct answer is option D Maharashtra. Dash put forth the proposal of Samyukta Maharashtra with Mumbai in the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Option A G.T. Madkolkar, option B Acharya Athre, option C D.V. Potdar, option D Shankar Rao Dev. Correct answer is option B Acharya Athre. Dash accepted the responsibility as first Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Option A Yashwantrao Chauhan, option B Prithviraj Chauhan, option C Shankarrao Chauhan, option D Vilasrao Deshmukh. Correct answer is option A Yashwantrao Chauhan. Explain the following statements with reasons. Samyukta Maharashtra Committee came to be established. The demand for a state of Marathi-speaking people from all regions was put forth in the Nagpur Pact in 1953. There was no positive response from the central government for the formation of Samyukta Maharashtra with Mumbai. The agitation was made severe through strikes, demonstrations, rallies, etc., which were organized from time to time. As the issue of the demand for Marathi-speaking people started becoming complicated, discontent spread throughout the state. A meeting was held under the leadership of Keshavrao Jede on February 6, 1956 at Tilak Smarak Mandir in Pune, and the Samyukta Maharashtra Committee was formed. The role of newspapers was important in Samyukta Maharashtra movement. The role of newspapers was equally important in the Samyukta Maharashtra movement. They worked to awaken the people. Navyug, Prabhat, Navakal, Sakai, Prabodhan, and Kesri are newspapers that played important roles. The Maratha newspaper by Acharya Athre had a significant role in the Samyukta Maharashtra movement. Balasaheb Thackeray took the pen name Mawla and drew caricatures in Navyug. Write short notes. Samyukta Maharashtra Parishad. On 20 July, Maharashtra Ekikaran Parishad was called at Mumbai. Shankar Rao Dev was its president. It passed a resolution that all Marathi-speaking regions should be included in one state. This should also include Marathi-speaking regions of Mumbai, central provinces, as well as Marathwada and Gomantak. Contribution of Samyukta Maharashtra Committee. Samyukta Maharashtra Committee contributed in the following ways to form Samyukta Maharashtra. The Samyukta Maharashtra movement spread throughout the state and reached rural areas. Common people also joined the movement spontaneously. When it became clear that Mumbai would not be included in Maharashtra, Committee held demonstrations to protest and arouse public agitation. The grand success of Samyukta Maharashtra Committee in the Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha, and Mumbai Municipal Corporation in 1957 made it clear that the voters were in favor of Samyukta Maharashtra. The agitations led by Samyukta Maharashtra Committee during the visit of Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru made the approach of the central government favorable to the formation of Maharashtra state. Complete the following diagram. Samyukta Maharashtra Committee. General Secretary S.M. Joshi. President Komrade Shripad Amrut Dange. Vice President T.R. Narwane.